Hello everyone, today we want to introduce our H-type pullet raising equipment for you. Okay, follow us. The material of our pullet raising cage equipment is made of hot-dip galvanized steel. The zinc thickness is 275 grams per square meters, and the service life can reach 15 to 20 years. You can see, we use plastic slide. It's very soft and will not hurt the chicken's feet.
And we also have the feeding pan, and the water cup is suitable for the pullet to intake. And we also have the V-shape. The V-shape feeding through, and with the rim, it can save the feed cost. And we also have this. Let me open it. Here. Yes. It can prevent the pullet get stuck and can run out of the cage.
Yes, and also folding door, no chicken escape, and easy operations. If you want to learn more about details, and if you are interested, please contact us and follow us.
Retech Farming, the most reliable farming service provider.